Welcome to BMW of Northwest Arkansas. I'm Alan, I'm the product genius here. And right here we've got the 2026 X1. Now don't let its size fool you. While it is the smallest SUV we offer, it is certainly not the least capable. So let's take a peek in the back, check out that cargo space, and go over some of the fun features of the car. Now, it is small but mighty. As you can see, you can have up to 25.7 cubic feet worth of space. Removable cover for privacy. Just snaps on out of there, as well as comes with our new patch kit. Super easy. All you have to do, attach it to the tire, turn it on, and that's it. Just start driving, take yourself to the nearest service center, they'll fix that tire for you. Now, let's go take a peek inside the vehicle and see what iDrive 9, our latest and greatest operating system, has to offer. Now, as with all of our BMWs, it does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. But one of the other unique things about this vehicle is the Digital Key. It allows you to turn your phone, be it your iPhone or your Android or even your smartwatch, into a key fob. Now, one of the other unique things about this car and many of our other vehicles is the adaptive cruise control. This does come equipped with Assisted Driving Plus, so it's really great for those long road trips where you're going in a straight line for a really long time.